come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
आनंद रंगनाथन, आशुतोष को मैंने कभी बहुत कोशिश की इम्प्रेस करने की, कभी मुझसे तो हुए नहीं, पर राहुल गांधी से बहुत इम्प्रेस हुए. Do you think he's rightly impressed with the statements, and do you agree with every point that Ashutosh ji has made?
Good evening, Navika. Look, it's been 25 minutes and I've been listening to this wonderful debate. But पहले तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि सैम पेट्रोडा जी राहुल गांधी एडवाइजर और 15 साल से प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं बने. वो तो गनीमत है. आशुतोष होते एडवाइजर तो 50 साल से नहीं बनते. क्या कह रहे हैं? Look, but by the way, I do agree with Sam Petroda. Rahul Gandhi is not Pappu. He is pure and perfect, particularly unique. अब इसका एक्रोनिम आप बनाना चाहे तो मेरी गलती नहीं है. Look, Rahul Gandhi talks about the reason he is brandishing this constitution because he says the constitution is dead under Modi. बार बार जाके बोल रहे हैं. Navika, when does constitution die? Constitution dies when a citizen's freedom of speech and expression is brutally curtailed and stormed upon. And that is what Jawaharlal Nehru did through his first amendment to our constitution, following which, under him, dozens of books and films were banned, historians and editors were jailed. When does constitution die? When the president and the judiciary is forced to curtail the fundamental rights of the citizen. And that is what Indira Gandhi did through the emergency, following which tens of thousands of Indians were jailed and killed and sterilized, and constitution's body and soul and preamble altered with gay abandon. When does constitution die? When a Supreme Court's considered verdict is overturned with impunity, when the citizen's right to privacy is snatched away. And that is what Rajiv Gandhi did through the Postal Act and through overturning the Shah Bano judgment, ushering in an era of blatant appeasement. When does constitution die, Navika? When tens of thousands of activists are arrested and charged with sedition and called anti-national. When the election commission is severely compromised, which is what Sonia Gandhi did. When under her proxy rule, 8,000 activists were charged with sedition in a single day. When Naveen Chawla, despite the Shah commission charging him with committing atrocities during the emergency and deeming him for unfit for office, was appointed as the chief election commissioner, ignoring the cries of CE that Chawla was spying for the Congress and passing on sensitive information to it. When does constitution die? When the FCRA Act is retrospectively amended, rendering the High Court conviction of political parties like the BJP and the Congress toothless, which is what happened under Rahul Gandhi. When the High Court conviction of the Congress and the BJP was rendered useless through a parliamentary amendment brought in by the BJP and supported by the Congress. Nehru, Indira, Rajiv, Sonia, Rahul. These are the famous five who have made sure our constitution is dead. On the other hand, how has Modi killed the constitution? Give me one example.
Ashutosh, Ashutosh, your example. Your example.
Really worried today because I was wondering that whether Anand Ranganathan is speaking or he had just ran his old tape, video tape. Because I heard this n number of times. And maybe the teleprompter has got something.
टाइम सुना है आपने, लेकिन एक कान से सुनते हैं दूसरे से निकाल देते हैं. फैक्ट्स की बात करो. फैक्ट्स की बात करो. Give me one example where Modi has killed the constitution. Navika, you asked him a simple question.
Okay.
Why is he?
All right. Let him respond. Let him respond. Ashutosh.
I did not respond. So I was really worried because it is the old video or the new videos. Because I heard this at least 100 times. But at least we should get something new.
100 बार सुना है, फिर भी पीछे चले
यार. अब यार फिर आप ही बोल लो आनंद. फिर मैंने तो आपको बोला नहीं.
नहीं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज अलाइव भाई, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है. आप बोलिए आशुतोष जी, बिल्कुल चिंता मत करिए किसी की.
हाँ बिल्कुल. Fact of the matter is, what are we discussing here? Are we discussing Rahul Gandhi?
Example of Modi killing.
Are we discussing?
Yes.
Anand, I didn't disturb you, please. Are we discussing Rahul Gandhi? I say, Suhail will bear me out. BJP is committing the mistake of making Rahul Gandhi bigger on a daily basis. Because you are a speech given in Texas, if had been completely not seen over here, BJP has not reacted. Rahul Gandhi is discussed today on a daily basis. He's occupying headlines.
Well, then I think even you are. I think I'm hearing a old tape of yours because you've made the same point several times before, Ashutosh. But somewhere.
I want to agree with Ashutosh.
Anand, you are so damn repetitive. You are pathetically repetitive because truth remains constant. So Anand has to be repetitive. Lies keep changing. And therefore Ashutosh, who today is advocating for Rahul Gandhi, yesterday was advocating for Arvind Kejriwal, day before he was advocating for Patrakarita, today doesn't tell us that when Rahul Gandhi's alliance partner says, I want 370 imposed, is it going to be for or against Constitution? Mr. Ashutosh does not tell us for once that if 370 is now said that it will come back, then will you have the Arakshan for Valmiki Samaj which was given after 70 years? You will not say it once that when Rahul Gandhi's friend and buddy says that Afzal Guru was hanged wrongly by the Supreme Court and he should not have been hung, for once you will not say whether vote bank ki rajniti should be put over Rashtaniti. Please, Mr. Ashutosh, now for once behave in your current mode and behave like a journalist and tell us what is your stand on whether there should be one constitution or two.